Today I'm demonstrating two aspects of the inductive sensors, both shielded and unshielded, and I've cobbled this together with some stuff I had kicking around. As Sensing Solutions and Controls sells Baumer, we sell Contronex, we also sell Leutze, and all three of these manufacturers work with inductive components. I've constructed a demo device here, which I've called the Ferris wheel, which is interesting that the element symbol for iron, ferrous, has a different spelling for a man named George Washington Ferris, who developed the first Ferris wheel. I'll have a little slide on that at the end of this presentation. This Contronex device is a really handy little sensor tester, and I have put a washer here. This is a shielded prox, so as it goes by this washer it turns on and then off again, on and off again, based on the hole within the prox. And there's a distance that at a shielded prox registers, which I'll get into in a minute. Now I've put on an unshielded prox, which shows the Gaussian magnetic field being larger and sensing further than a shielded prox. And here you can see that the washer enables it only once. It does not come off and on with the center of the washer. And that's because of the Gaussian field. So this diagram demonstrates how the Gaussian field works, and with an unshielded prox it tends to spill over from the diameter. Obviously this is controlled with an output stage, the signals are conditioned, and there's also on some devices an adjustment potentiometer. Here I'm going to show how this washer is picked up by the same unshielded prox that we were using, and it measures that at just about 10 millimeters from the top of the washer. This is a 12 millimeter diameter sensor, so in general you will see 80 or 90% distance with the diameter of an unshielded prox. The shielded prox is going to be closer to about 0.6 or 0.7. Different materials make a difference. So in a case like this, with using a copper piece of pipe, we're looking at about 0.3 with an unshielded prox. And those numbers are all part of my job. I have charts, there are graphs. Some of that is online at the manufacturer's website, some of it is not. So please include me with what you're doing.